Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley for those of you who are watching for the first time. And for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm super excited about this video. I will be getting ready for the LMA concert, and this video will include my hair, my makeup, and my outfit. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. We're almost at 15K, so we're growing. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so you guys can be alerted when I post a new video. My video schedule is every Monday and Thursday. I don't usually stick to it, but I am trying. So that post notification will let you know when I do post. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's start with my face. So this video can kind of be like a chit chat, get ready with me. You know what I mean? Let's do it. So first I'm just gonna go in with my favorite Clinique powder, the one in the 101. There you go. This powder is bomb. I just got a new one. It always lasts a good 3 to 4 months, so I do like that. And I just like to take the sponge that's in it and just put it on all my super oily areas. So like under my eyes, on my nose, on my cheeks. Basically, I just fake contour, but not really, because I'm just using a powder. But yeah, I do like this powder. It works really good. And then I'm just gonna let that sit. So I am doing an eye look today. I don't usually wear makeup, if you guys don't notice, but I am gonna do a little something extra today for LMA. Y'all, I'm actually super excited to go to this concert. I've had the ticket since, I want to say November, October-ish. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and take my Tarte In Bloom palette. This palette is actually super old, but I never use it, so. And I'm just gonna go in with the shade Smarty Pants, this one right here, and just put this on my whole lid. This is literally the same color as my actual skin, so basically I'm just mattifying my eyelid. I'm not a makeup pro, so I just be doing my best. So don't judge me. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Rebel, which is down here, and I'm just gonna put this in my crease. Can you guys see? Just makes my eyes look a little more smoky. I'm doing a matte look today, so I'm not gonna put a shiny color. So that's it. I'm just gonna do my mascara. Oh, I think I'm gonna use eyeliner today. All right, let's do the eyeliner first. So I'm just gonna take my Estee Lauder Double Wear eyeliner and just the regular black and just line my under eye. Oh, I gotta take a break. I think that's pretty good. Let me just clean it up a little bit. Pretty sure my powder is set, so I'm just gonna rub that all in. Now I'm just gonna do a little bit of mascara. Currently I'm using the Clinique Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. I had the sample, but then I went ahead and got the big size because this mascara works bomb. Oh, okay, my makeup kind of looks a little good. Hey. Hi. Hey. I'm filming my video. Oh. It's okay, you can say hi. Hi. Say hi to my video. What video are you doing right now? To get ready with me for the LMA concert. Now let me do my eyebrows. I'm just going to use the Benefits Goof Proof pencil that I always use. I think my eyebrows done. Next, I'm just gonna go in with my Benefits eyebrow gel in the shade 5. It's the same shade as my eyebrow pencil. And this concludes my makeup look. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair. I'm just gonna use my Miss Jessie's Honey Curls. There you go. I don't like to put too much in my hair when I wear it out because it weighs it down, so I just put a little bit. Oh, and if you guys are wondering, I did cut my own bangs. I'm not gonna do a tutorial on it because I don't really know how I did it. I just pick up a scissors and start cutting. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of gel and just run it through my hair just to stop the frizz. So that's it for the hair and the makeup, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my outfit. Alright guys, so this is my outfit. I just have these flare jeans on from Buckle, this sheer top that I added from Forever 21, and then my leather bralette is from Shein, and then I have my necklaces, and my chain is from Forever 21 as well. Say hey! So this concludes my video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!